10 surprising uses for white vinegar. Vinegar is strong enough to kill weeds, as well as plants you actually like, so instead of spraying it recklessly around your yard or garden, try painting it directly on the leaves of whatever plant you're trying to get rid of. Of course, if you're attacking weeds that sprout up from cracks in your asphalt, fire at will. Dogs and cats can often be bothered by itchy, scaly ears, especially if you have a dog with floppy ears like a retriever. There are at least 2 great uses for vinegar in your automatic dishwasher. First, it can be used as a cheap, effective rinsing agent to get your glasses, plates, and other dishes sparkling clean. Still sporting a bumper sticker you'd rather not display any longer? Remove it with a few squirts of undiluted white vinegar. You may need to reapply the vinegar a few times to completely loosen the bumper sticker. There are all kinds of theories about ways to extend the life of cut flowers. Some folks swear by a copper penny, and others add lemon-lime soda or an aspirin. Try adding a few tablespoons of white vinegar to the water, plus a dash of sugar. Most people reach for the bleach when confronted with grungy or discolored tile, grout, and caulk. But white vinegar is not only effective at cleaning and whitening tiles and grout, but it's also safer than chlorine bleach, especially for households on a septic tank, where bleach should never enter. Just spray full-strength vinegar on grout and caulk in the shower or kitchen, let it soak in for at least an hour, then scrub it off with a brush. Vinegar has so many laundry-related uses that it's often stored right next to the detergent in green laundry rooms. Clean your coffee maker out with diluted vinegar every month or so. Remember to run fresh water through it before making coffee. If your toilet bowl, bathtub, or sink has lime deposits from hard water, soak or spray vinegar onto the grit. It should loosen the deposits enough to remove them easily. Vinegar is one of the world's best all-purpose green cleaners with dozens of cleaning uses. Diluted white vinegar is excellent for cleaning windows, hardwood floors, carpet stains, fireplace bricks and irons, CDs and DVDs, shower curtains, upholstery, mattresses, wood furniture, when combined with olive oil, and glassware. If it's in your house, you can probably clean it with vinegar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.